you have a business, factoring pig. You buy pig, bigger 6 months, and then factor it and sell it in labor. So I decided to quit because I'm tired. Tired. So the old man said, you should go on with your business. It's good that you have business that I started. I'm happy that you have business. It's my report.
Hello, Romeo.
Hello, Larry.
Yeah.
That's the big one, huh? We take the small one and get out the window.
Hi, Luke. Hi, Mel. Gusto mo Jesus, nagtatago mo sila. Sige. Rene. Aboy ka rin yung makuya. Uy, di ka katagtang sa Bray. Sorry, Rin. Wala ka kaduwag to rin, no? Rin? Ay, salamat talaga eh. Hi, Mi. I know. Sus, ang gipagpictura ng kiat. Di ba na ito makita? Di rin ako. Hi, Kip. Story rin. Ryan. Hi, Ryan. Si Litters. Mano, isa sa posting mo gihapon siya, oy. Isa man to nagubo asi Richard. Sige, okay anak, ito charge para masama ako kay Kuya Fred. Wala na yung record eh.
Recorded na pala te. Nakaano na pala. Hello to the people out there. Stay tuned. Wow. Hi Richard, ano pala si Richard? Yeah. That's my mommy. Hi Ramil. Smiling lahat sila. Sama sila. Puro bakla na si Richard. Ang ganda ng post niya. Eh yung ano mo, repolyo mo, Chard.
Makita mo.
Wala, tiga. Oops. Hi Miriam. Day. Hi Day. Rene. Naka na, Ramil. Nux. Okay. Sorry.
Hindi okay lang. Hello, Day. Hello. Hi, Mi. Hi. Hi, Rodel. Hi, no.
Ano niya, yung asawa niya? No.
Hi, Ryan. Hello, Ryan. Sige na ako muna.
I was just trying to...
It's okay now.
It's okay now?
Yeah.
It didn't get broken, love.
Huh?
It didn't get broken. You're right. Right sa pano, meron akong kanina. Kasi mainit yun eh.
Ano nangyari? Tama ba naman? Ganyan din.
My ears are popping. I wonder how high is the love.
Napunta na ba kayo dito ba?
Hindi pa. First time ko lang pagpunta dito eh.
This will be my third
Oo, second time mo. Isa kasama rin mo na.
that's my experience.
Adi ay, isa pa.
Friends.
Ha? Ako gano'n. Ito na. Makita ko yun o. Ayun o.
I love you.
Ayun ba? There's more in front of you. Sabi ka pa ng dami-dami, no?
Ang dami-dami
Oh, marang-marang. Nakita ko marang, no? Wala tayong marang.
Ano yung marang? Ayan, natatanggal.
Ha?
Unti-unti na matatanggal.
Oo, masarap yun, masarap.
Senyorita.
Oo, masarap yun, ah. Ano yung marang? Makain. Langka o langka? Langka yata yun.
Langka.
Wow!
Walang mara.
Sarap-sarap noon. Sagdi na lang kung kumin. Sa
Milon lang.